Your tires and wheels are the first line of defense between you and the road, and it's important to keep yourself and your vehicle protected. TIRECARE Plus and TIRECARE plans from Ford Protect are smart, proactive investment options to protect your tires and wheels from the everyday hazards on the road. Whether it's potholes, debris, nails, glass, and even metal, Ford Protect TIRECARE Plus and TIRECARE provide you worry-free coverage that saves you time, money, and unnecessary hassle, ensuring both repairs or replacement of your tires and wheels. With incredible benefits like no limit on approved claims or occurrences, a $0 deductible, and no mileage limitations for up to 8 years of coverage, adding TIRECARE protection is a great decision. If you are ever stranded, our TIRECARE plans offer towing for covered repairs to the nearest authorized repair facility, up to $100 reimbursement, including installation of a spare tire, and if needed, provide a rental benefit for up to 2 days for covered repairs. And with our TIRECARE Plus plan, Ford Protect offers coverage for cosmetic damage to alloy, aluminum, and steel wheels. That's the extra protection Ford Protect strives for, and you deserve. Designed to keep you on the road, TIRECARE Plus and TIRECARE are 100% backed by Ford Motor Company, repaired only by Ford certified technicians, and serviced at locations across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. The road may be unpredictable, but your confidence and peace of mind doesn't have to be. So, drive on, no matter where the road is taking you today, with Ford Protect, TIRECARE Plus, and TIRECARE. Choose an option that is right for you. Insist on Ford Protect.